Yes guys, welcome back to another episode on how to make him miss you. Without wasting much time, let's dive right in. Before we start, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Links will be provided in the description box below. Prioritizing one's time is one of the key ways in making him miss you. Once you prioritize your time, you are able to focus on yourself, your education, your work, as well as your set goals. As a result, you tend to have less time for him and more time for yourself. In order to compensate for this, anytime you are out with him, you make it a memorable one for him.
What?
Hence, this will make him remember you or miss you once you are no longer available. I cover content on relationship advice. If this is the type of content you like, make sure to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to be notified once I've uploaded. As usual, stay safe. Peace.